Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 15th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on my pepper seedlings here that were transplanted. So this is the one batch. Now, the only reason that they look a little pale is because the camera is having issues pulling the coloring with the light. And here's some more down here. Now I want to show you today how to actually pinch your pepper plants. And another thing I want to talk to you about is why not to let your pepper plants bloom indoors. So let me find one here. This one here, this pepper plant here, you can see it's getting ready to bloom. Right there are the blooms right there trying to come. And I don't want them blooming indoors. What will actually happen is when your pepper plants start blooming, then they stop focusing on producing roots and growing, and they focus more on blooming and flowering and producing a harvest and fruit. The problem is, though, the plants are still really compact and small. So I'm going to pull one out here. I see the one I want back there. And I'm going to show you here how to prune your pepper plants. So I'm moving this one down to the light down here, and as you can see, this is a bud right here, and this pepper plant wants to bloom. This is one of the Sweet Bell mini peppers, and you can see the roots here. It's shooting the roots off of the stem, and it's growing new roots out into the soil off of the stem to produce a stronger root system. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to take and nip this blossom out. Now, you can use like a pair of scissors if you choose to, or something like that. And I'm actually going to top this whole plant right here. So I'm taking the leaves and the buds off of the top, and I'm letting this right here. Now this is going to rebranch out from this right here. You can see it's already starting to put a new leaf out here, and this will give new growth. But what it's also going to do is it's going to push all of these side shoots out, and it's going to give you a stronger, sturdier, healthier plant. And that's what we want. I pinched and pruned mine last year, and they produced very well for us. I was very pleased with how well they produced the pepper harvest. Now, I have noticed that different peppers do grow differently. Like your sweet banana peppers, I noticed they seem to grow faster. And I noticed like the hot peppers, they grow faster. And just the plants themselves kind of grow differently. The leaves might be a little different. So I just wanted to throw that in there for you. So that's something that I have actually noticed with different peppers. So let me get another pepper plant here. Let's see here. Here's another one right here. This is, which one's this one here? This is one of the Carnival Blend ones. And you can see this one here is going to start to try and bloom too. So I'm just nipping the very top of the plant out there. And this will all branch off and give more shoots out, which will give more fruit and a stronger plant. So I'm going to finish pinching and pruning the pepper plants here. And you can see down here, they're growing. So I'm going to put this one here back under the lights. I'm going to continue on with pinching and pruning all of these. And then I'm going to discard this here. Now, I wanted to add something to this. Let me move this plant here real quick. My eggplant here, so I can get to this. This one back here, this pepper plant, is really small. So I will not be pinching this one yet. I'm going to wait for it to get bigger. This one here will get pinched. But if they're real small, like this one back here, then I will not pinch them. I'm going to let them continue to grow, and I'll just watch it, and when it needs pinch, then I will pinch it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. And you can get updates on what videos are coming up, how different plants are doing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!